Hi.
Oh hi! How you
What's up?
doing? Ah, no much, mate. Just waiting on that big boat to take us to Northern Ireland.
Oh my god, we're going to Northern Ireland?
We're going to Northern Ireland.
Oh my god.
I know.
Why didn't anyone tell me?
You've been in the motor for 2 years. Look at these two bloody.
I know, they're so antisocial.
Do you know what they are? Nerds. They're nerds.
Tell everyone what time we woke up this morning.
Oh,
in fact, what time is it right now?
It's currently 10 to 7 in the morning, but me and Chris, when did we get up? I got up at. I got up at quarter to 3. I got up at.
Yeah, to be honest, I actually didn't sleep much either.
I have some exciting news. Look at this, mate. 31,000.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
So this camera is the vlog camera, so this is gonna be behind the scenes of everything. My annoying American accent. I'm not even American, so I don't know why I have it, but I'm sorry. Yep. And then you're gonna see a lot of Daniel. No turtleneck? Oh my god, he's got he's going. So yeah, this is the behind the scenes camera. That's what we'll call it, the behind the scenes camera.
Do you know what I'm gonna do? Do you know what I'm gonna do? Look, you watching? You watch? We're on a boat, mate. Look at this nonsense. This is sheer madness, by the way.
Oh, you okay?
MTV, welcome to my crib. This is my boat. I usually sail on this. Like, whenever I want to go to Northern Ireland. Whoa! 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 Hold on to that camera, man. Jesus. Oh.
Oh my god, it's actually...
Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm getting onto the tap, mate. So we're starting on a boat, going to Northern Ireland. I think that's still Scotland, isn't it? I think so. Scotland's that way, Northern Ireland's that way. See when you start at this bit of the boat, it's completely fine. It's not that way at all. It's as soon as you walk in this bit. Let's get back, shouldn't we?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's really wet. There's Omar. It's filming. There's Daniel in the background. Hi Daniel. There's Omar. Hi Omar. There's me. It's really cold up here. Oh, I've got salty lips.
You taste it?
Hmm? Is it this door?
Yeah. Doesn't exactly look like it. So, what is the plan for this trip?
Just film hundreds of stuff.
Any idea what we're going to be filming?
Aye. I'm not telling you, but
Is this top secret?
it's top secret, mate.
So today we're filming 3 videos, right?
Aye, I think. I don't know.
Yeah.
Aye.
We're doing 1 with special someone, and we're doing 2 at the Airbnb.
There we go.
And then tomorrow we're doing 1 big one,
Aye.
and then like the vlog as well. And then
60, mate.
we'll do a house tour as well of our home.
I'm going to start editing.
Oh, which one are you going to edit?
Scoffable.
Oh,
There
hello
you go, mate.
Scoffable.
There you go.
We have
See?
quite a few videos coming up, and they're exciting. How is it?
Tasty.
Welcome on board. Nice.
Mate.
What?
Look.
What is that? Oh my god.
It's an arcade. Oh mate, yes.
And it's empty.
What are we playing?
Man, it is so like wobbly in here.
I know, imagine being on this.
Oh god.
We need coins. How are we going to get coins?
Can you not pay Google Pay or something?
Google.
Let's get money from Chris.
Let's get money for Chris.
Never have cash.
Trying to I know, he'll there.
They don't even have Google Pay, man.
How much?
2, 3. See, I had a whole stack. I did actually have a stack of coins on my dresser, and I decided not to take them.
I'd rather not deplete all my money. Like,
Right.
in a minute, I guess you can give me money when we get there.
Content, mate. It's just content. It's just content, sheer content. Right, we've only got 4.
Okay, cool.
So we need to play this wisely.
Oh, dude. No, it's a skiing thing.
Oh!
Skiing on a boat.
Oh, mate.
Damn, it is really wobbly, actually. It is really...
Jesus Christ, right, here we go.
Oh, wow.
3,
Oh!
2, 1, go!
Yeah, we're gonna get a lift in a very rocky boat.
It says in use.
Dude, this is a nice lift.
Isn't it?
What?
It's fancy.
Jerry.
You're expecting a middle there, but it's no, it's like a tree.
Yeah. This is actually nicer than where
This
we're
is
sitting.
so
I know,
strange.
dude, it's weird.
Oh, I don't like it because we're like...
I know, yeah.
Watch my fancy up here.
I know. Dazza. We should just move up here.
I know what I think.
Those are Christopher Robin's important
that's awesome.
papers.
Daniel would be proud.
Leave it.
That's good work, man.
Paint me like one of your French girls, Jack. Did you get that reference?
Whoa.
How do we film?
I know, but how do you like move it so you can...
And now we're back here. This looks like something a grandma would design. You know when like you're going on a road trip and the first hour is like super, not even first hour, the first like 20 minutes is super fun. But then afterwards you're just like, all right, this is getting kind of boring now and we want to just get to where we're going. We have an hour left till we get to Northern Ireland. And we're all like pretty tired now. I think we're all feeling tiredness, so. Where's Darren gone?
Did I say I wanted the window?
I didn't.
It was Prince of Persia, but like, I enjoyed it.
His body in it I saw is like
He
unbelievable.
looks pretty on point. Toby Kebbell did the motion capture for Koba in Andy Serkis ones.
Yeah, Andy Serkis, my friend. I like Andy Serkis. He's a good guy.
I fancy pizza.
Product placement.
Did you see that face there? And the award for the most unsociable people in the world goes to you guys. It looks like we're arriving into Northern Ireland. You excited? So we are almost in Northern Ireland. I think we've got about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go to the supermarket. I can see the land. Okay, well we're close. I can see something. Okay, we're meant to be arriving in 5 minutes. It's like 1:45. First stop is the supermarket because we need to get the ingredients for Dazza to eat. FYI, I don't know if the team is gonna get fed on this holiday. We'll find out soon enough. You guys haven't eaten yet, right? No. See, they can't even talk. That's how hungry they are. But Dazza over here has had like a, you know, lobster and crab and everything. Should we just tell these people to move aside so we can leave?
Here we go! We have arrived in Northern Ireland. It looks beautiful.
It looks just like Glasgow.
Aberdeen.
Is that what it looks like? Aberdeen?
This is Aberdeen, looks like.